Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter the recovery mode on Lenovo ThinkPad X1. And entering recovery mode is quite simple, but exiting it may be impossible if you don't follow the steps that I'm showing you right now. First of all, you need to make fully sure that you have access to your Microsoft account on another device. So that's what I'm gonna do before we enter the recovery mode. Without that, I just won't enter it. I need to know that I have access. So let's begin by going to a browser on a different device. I'm just gonna get to a different device. Now, as you probably can see right now, I hope you can see it. Yeah, you can. You should be able to go to simply aka.ms/myrecoverykey. This is the exact website you should go on. Make sure it's this one. And now it'll show you the Microsoft account login screen. Okay, let's click on next. I'm gonna click on no thanks. Then I need to enter my password. I think it's this one, and I may need to verify with my email, so I'm just gonna get to my Gmail inbox. Okay, I think there should be a code on my mail. Yes, it is. Okay. And now I'm just gonna continue, and I'm gonna cover a part of this page because I don't want you to really see all the codes. So I'm just gonna get back to when I have it set. And as you can see, I have a list here. There are device name, key ID, recovery key, drive, and key upload date. And what's gonna be important is the key ID and the recovery key, because in case you do something in the recovery mode and it asks you for BitLocker recovery key, then it'll show you your long recovery key ID. The first section before the first dash is the most important because it has to match with the key ID on the website right here. And by the way, this list is not sorted by date, so you may need to even scroll through the whole one and look for your key ID. Then just on the right side of it, there will be a long recovery key, and you need to enter it fully, and that'll make you have everything. You'll be unlocked basically. So now let's go back to the laptop, and we should just shut it down. And I'm gonna actually shut it down by pressing and holding on the power key. This is called a force shutdown, and that will make me sure that I'm fully shut down, not just suspended. I think that it is shut down now, and now I think that yeah, okay, so once your laptop is shut down, just flip it over, and on the bottom of it you should see a little hole that you can put a pin in, or a needle. So let's do that. I hope you can see it right here. I don't know if you can see it, but right here it is. just put a pin or a needle in it. Then I think you should be able to just release it and the laptop should turn on automatically. But as I can see, nothing had happened. Okay, so doing that resulted in nothing. Let's try shutting the laptop down again. After shutting the laptop down, wait and of course power it on. Then start repeatedly pressing on enter key on your keyboard immediately after releasing the power key. Now if there's no option to go to like the recovery key here, because there's no, then the last option that we've got is actually to force shut it down a few more times and it will automatically go into the recovery mode. You can see when it's loading the system, it means that it won't go into recovery mode. But when instead or before loading, it says please wait, then we know that it'll go into recovery mode. And we just need to forcefully shut it down repeatedly until it goes to recovery mode. So now it's time to shut it down, of course forcefully, which is by pressing and holding the power button. And I'm gonna get back to when it says that please wait. And now it says please wait, so let's wait. And it should show you a blue screen with the option to click on see advanced repair options. That's what you should click on. And now you have the recovery mode. I'm gonna try to make it have this problem with all the BitLockers and stuff, but I'm not sure it'll actually have it. Although if it will, then I'll show you how to get the BitLocker, how to unlock it with BitLocker, right? So I'm just gonna try to do anything here. Then let's see what happens. And no BitLocker, so you'll lose. If it happens in your case, then just follow the steps that I have shown you. I'm gonna click on enter to return to the operating system. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.